Oh, what's up? You seem grumpy.
Mum's been really annoying lately.
No more than usual.
I just want to live with Dad.
Well, you only ever say that when you're angry with your mum. So what's up? I will keep it private.
No, you won't. You will tell Mum. Mum says you're the least private person in the world.
Yeah, that's true, actually. But I'm serious. I will only talk to your mum if I feel you're unsafe. Come on.
I just feel so bad for Dad.
Why?
I mean, he must feel so lonely. Mum's got all of us. Me, you, kōrero. Dad's got no one.
Listen, baby girl, it's not your job right now to look after them. That happens when you're much, much older. You shouldn't be making their problems your problems. Your job right now is to get on with being an awesome kid. Your dad is okay. And if he isn't, then it's his job to do something about that, not yours. Understand?
I think so.
Sweetheart, just be yourself. Tell the truth. Tell Mum and Dad how you feel about things. And when you can't talk to them, you come and talk to me. Or kōrero. But if you want a cool person, you talk to me. If you want an old person, you talk to kōrero. Hey, just think. Youthful? Me. Trendy? Me. Old or ancient knowledge? Ooh, kōrero.